So in this video, you'll learn how to navigate through your phone using the TalkBack feature. So in order for you to use the TalkBack feature, you have to start by enabling it. So to do that, open the Settings app and then scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, select TalkBack, and then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle at the top to enable the feature. Once it's been enabled, you'll then go through the process of setting it up, and through the process, you will need to go scrolling through some information. So whenever it comes to scrolling, what you want to do is get two fingers and just use those fingers to scroll down or to scroll up as you read through the information. When you want to select something, just tap on it once to choose it, and then double tap to continue with the next step. So select once, then double tap to choose that option. And you'll notice that I'm successfully navigating through TalkBack. If you want to go to the home screen and you're using buttons, then you can just select the home button and then double tap on it to navigate to the home screen. If you're using gestures, just swipe up on the gesture bar like this with your two fingers, and then you'll be taken to the home screen. If you want to navigate, just use the two fingers to navigate through your phone. If you want to launch an app, all you need to do is simply just tap on the app like that to select it, and then double tap again to open the app. You also have the option of changing the volume of the TalkBack feature. So to do that, you want to use any of the volume buttons, whether up or down. Then from here, tap on the three dots. Then next, you want to come to this TalkBack option, which is the accessibility option. So from here, use your two fingers and scroll up, or you can just use the volume up button to increase. Then once you've done that, you'll hear an increase in the TalkBack feature. And so that's how you can navigate through your phone using TalkBack. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.